Hello there, welcome to the November Chief Executive's vlog. This month, I think we're going to talk about policy. And what I mean by policy, I don't mean our own HR policies or anything like that. I mean the policies that the government pursues. But crucially for us, what they do with the funding, how the funding comes down, what labels are on it, what incentives are on it. So at Forward Trust, we pride ourselves at getting out to places and meeting people and understanding social exclusion really from the coalface. We have hundreds of workers who are out there at clinics, on outreach and in prisons and in homeless centres who actually see what it's like on the ground. And we think it's very important that that experience, that expertise is heard in policy discussions. So part of my job is to make sure that the Forward Trust knowledge and expertise is reflected at the policy level. And for many years, we've been doing that through campaigning. I hope most of you are aware of our two current campaigns. We have the More to My Past campaign, which is mainly a platform for lived experience stories, particularly involvement in the criminal justice system, but also addiction, homelessness, mental health problems. And we also have our Taking Action on Addiction campaign. That Taking Action on Addiction campaign tries to talk to the public, to policymakers, to all of our partners about the realities of addiction, the nature of addiction, and particularly our belief and our celebration of recovery. And you also hopefully are aware that we're just coming up to its key moment each year. So quite a lot of activities coming up for Addiction Awareness Week, and I do encourage all of you to be looking out for and supporting and getting involved in those activities. And of course, with a new government, we are in a period where we should be a voice, our voice should be heard, and Forward Trust and the people within it should be seeking to take the ideas we get from the work we do and try to put them into those policy debates. Now, all through the years, I'm occasionally asked by staff to create more space within Forward Trust for staff, volunteers to talk about how the sector we work within, how that's affected by government decisions, by funding decisions, by the commissioning structures that we work within. We have worked out an idea that is coming up to create a webinar series for Forward Trust staff, and I will front those up and talk about policy issues and take questions, and we can discuss what we think about those and come to views on what sort of lobbying, what sort of campaigning we should do. See you soon.